Now after this lecture, we are going to discuss types of grafting. Wedge grafting, tongue grafting, after this crown grafting, and approach grafting. So in a wedge grafting, let's say this is a plant and in this plant you have given a V-shaped cut from here and you remove the remaining part like this. Yes, you have given the V-shaped cut from here. Now you have bring another plant by giving the wedge-shaped cut from downside and you have put it here like this. So here you have given the V shape cut, and the one thing you need to remember is that if there is presence of any bud or leaf like this in a stalk like this, if there is any bud or leaf present on a stalk part, you should remove it. They not need to be present in a stalk. So you should remove any leaf and bud if it is presented over here, and the stalk should be about 10 to 30 centimeter length. Yes, 10 to 30 centimeter length. So this is the stalk. And you have given here the wedge shape cut. This is scion. This is scion. In the wedge type of grafting, the diameter of stalk and scion need to be equal. So diameter, and after placing, you bind both of these with the help of grafting tape like this. So after joining, you bind it both of these with the help of grafting tape, so that after mating they will form a single composite plant. Yes, they will form a single composite plant here. So this is a wedge type grafting. Now after this, in a tongue shape grafting, here also the diameter of stalk and scion need to be same. like this. The only difference between the wedge and tongue is that here the cut is in different shape from the wedge type of grafting. So I'm making here like this. The cut is given in the plant in tongue type of grafting, in a slice or whip type. Slice or a whip type cut is given. Now, if talking about the crown type of grafting, here the diameter of stalk is greater than scion. Greater than scion. So, like this. So, this is the stalk part, and we will give very small cuts here like this. So these types of cut are presented over here, and here the bud is placed. The bud is placed, and after the certain period, this bud will sprout and form a scion part. In this, scion is presented in this way. In the crown type of grafting, the scion is more than the stalks, and this type of grafting is presented over here. And the last one, the approach. This is a quite different type of grafting from these three. Here, the joining and cutting is done. Joining as well as cutting is done. Let's say the two plants are present. Let's say this is a plant and another plant is also presented over here. like this. Like this, the waves are presented over here. And here we will remove a bark in the shape of slice from both of these plants. Yes, we will remove the bark from both of these plants, and I have already I told you what is bark, what is presented over the bark. So inside the bark there is presence of vascular cambium. Yes, there is presence of vascular cambium. So I have removed in the shape of slice like this, and after this I will tape it. I will bind it with the help of grafting tape like this, and then we will press it. Yes, tape it and press it so that they will join together, and after joining they will produce a single conjoined plant. One thing you must remember that when you remove bark, the part which is exposed is the vascular cambium of these both plants. So they will show the meristematic activities, due to which after the joining they will form a single conjoined plant. So this part is shown. Part is stalk. So the information which I have gave to you, I am writing down here. The removal of bark, the removal of bark expose cambium, cambium, both these plants. So we want this plant as a scion, as a stalk. Yes, we want this plant as a stalk. So which part we do not actually need? We do not need this part, the above part. So we will give cut from here. Yes, we will give a cut below the graph. Yes, very important. Note down. The cut is given. Cut is given below the graph. Okay. So these are the four types of grafting. Now I have discussed the four types of leaf budding, and after this I am dealing with bud grafting. Bud grafting is done by the scion. In a bud grafting, the scion is presented in the form of bud plus bark plus cambium. So let's say this is a bud, and in the surrounding of this bud there is a presence of a bark. Here there is a bark. Now I am making the plant in which we need to graft. So here let's say we have given the cut in the shape of T. Yes, T shape cut is given in this plant, and the cut is need to be a very deep cut is given here. Yes. So the cut is need to be that much deep so that it can reach the cambium which is presented inside it. So after giving cut, we will place this bird over here. And how we will do that? We will separate this cut from here sideways. Yes, a little separation is need to be done here from here, and we will place it in the center of this cut like this. And as we all know, inside this, in the place of in the cambium, this presence of the food and water of the plant, the process which is all going on inside it. So this bud will uh, get these supplies, this water and food, and this bud will sprout. So we will tape it from the grafting tape. Yes, we will tape it. We will press it after the taping so that it will get those supplies of food and water so that it can sprout and form a shoot system. So after the taping and pressing, this bud get these food and water supply, and after the getting, it will sprout and form a shoot system. So this is the silent part, and this is a stalk. So this is all about bud grafting. The grafting is done in the form of the scion is in the form of bud plus bark and plus cambium. We will first give a cut in the stalk in the shape of T. The T shape cut is given. After this, we place that bud inside it, and the cut is need to be that much deep so that it can reach easily till the cambium, till the vascular bundles. And after placing it, the water and the food which is presented inside the plant so that the bud will reach towards them, and after getting those supply of food and water, it will sprout and produce a shoot system like this. Now I'm citing some examples which shows the bud grafting in which the bud grafting is done. So rose, apple, and pear. These are three examples of bud grafting.